My name is Rohn Rolling, and I'm a member of the Community Advisory Board for the Case Clinical Trials Unit. Working with people in the HIV field, that's my passion. The Community Advisory Board, which I'm chairman, we meet on a monthly basis and we discuss the various clinical trials that CASE is involved in. Community liaisons between the research development team and the community. People tend to think that HIV does not exist. They avoid the conversation, and it's a conversation that we should be having on a daily basis about what's going on within the community. I don't see a lot of people in leadership roles that look like me. There are a lot of people working in the field, and that's good, that's excellent, but I don't see a lot of young Black men that are in key positions talking about the HIV epidemic.